Hey everyone, it's Anne here. Today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of becoming a mortgage broker right here in Alberta. If you're looking for a rewarding career with great earning potential, you've come to the right place. Becoming a mortgage broker is an exciting journey, and I'm here to break it down into manageable steps. We'll cover everything from the initial requirements to getting your license and starting your career. Whether you're just starting to explore your options or you're ready to dive in, this video will give you all the information you need to get started on the path to becoming a successful mortgage broker. So grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's unlock your career potential together. Let's get started. Before you dive into coursework and applications, let's make sure you meet the basic requirements to become a mortgage broker in Alberta. Don't worry, these are pretty straightforward. First things first, you need to be at least 18 years old. That's right, you can start your mortgage career right after graduating high school if you're eager. Next up, you'll need to be a Canadian citizen or have permanent resident status. This ensures you're legally able to work in Canada. Finally, you need to have at least a high school diploma or equivalent. This shows you have a basic level of education to build upon. Now let's talk about something that's not exactly a requirement, but it's definitely important: your criminal record. Ideally, you should have a clean record. Having a criminal record doesn't automatically disqualify you, but it can complicate the licensing process. You'll likely need to provide additional documentation and explanations. It's always best to be upfront and honest about your past. If you do have a criminal record, don't be discouraged. Contact the Real Estate Council of Alberta RECAA directly to discuss your specific situation and understand the implications. Remember, transparency and honesty are key throughout the entire licensing process. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to the exciting part: gaining the knowledge you need to excel as a mortgage broker. This is where the Mortgage Associates Program, or MAP, comes in. The MAP is a comprehensive course that covers everything you need to know about the mortgage industry in Canada. You'll learn about Canadian mortgage law, different types of mortgage products, lending rules and regulations, ethical practices, and so much more. There are two main institutions where you can take the MAP: the Alberta Mortgage Brokers Association, AMBA, and the Real Estate and Mortgage Institute of Canada, REMIC. Both offer high-quality programs that meet the licensing requirements. You can choose to study online or in person, depending on your learning style and preferences. The flexibility of the program makes it accessible to everyone, no matter your schedule. Now let's talk about the investment involved. The MAP course typically costs around $1,500 to $2,000, depending on the institution and format you choose. While this might seem like a significant investment up front, remember that you're investing in your future career. Becoming a successful mortgage broker can lead to a lucrative and rewarding career path. The duration of the course can vary depending on your learning pace and the program structure. On average, it takes about 6 weeks to 3 months to complete the program. If you're eager to get started with your career, you can definitely complete the course quickly by dedicating sufficient time and effort. Remember, the more you put in, the more you'll get out of it. You've made it through the Mortgage Associates program, absorbing all that knowledge like a sponge. Now it's time to prove what you've learned and conquer that final exam. Don't worry, you've got this. Remember all those hours you put in, studying diligently and understanding the ins and outs of the mortgage world. This exam is your chance to showcase your newfound expertise. It's designed to test your grasp of Canadian mortgage law, lending practices, ethical considerations, and all those crucial details. The format might vary depending on the course provider, but typically you'll encounter multiple choice questions, maybe a few true or false scenarios, and possibly some short answer sections to really demonstrate your understanding. The key is to stay calm, read each question carefully, and trust your instincts. You've put in the work, now go out there and ace that exam. Now I know exams can be nerve-wracking, and sometimes we don't perform our best on the first try. But don't fret if you don't hit that passing grade right away. Most programs understand that everyone learns differently and offer a second chance to shine. That's right, you'll typically have 2 attempts to pass the exam. So, if the first attempt doesn't go as planned, take a deep breath, review the material where you felt less confident, and go for round 2 with even more determination. Sometimes, depending on the course provider, you can even have more than 2 attempts, though there might be an additional fee. The most important thing is not to let a little setback discourage you. You've come this far in pursuing your mortgage broker dreams. Perseverance is key. Think of it this way: each attempt is a learning opportunity, a chance to refine your understanding and solidify your knowledge. You've got this. With a little extra focus and determination, you'll be celebrating your success in no time. Congratulations on passing your course exam. You've gained valuable knowledge and are one step closer to becoming a mortgage broker. But hold on, you can't fly solo just yet. In Alberta, new mortgage associates like yourself need to gain experience under the wing of a licensed brokerage. Think of it as an apprenticeship where you'll refine your skills, learn the ropes of the industry firsthand, and build valuable connections. This is where the exciting part begins. It's time to network, polish your resume, and start applying for jobs at reputable brokerages in Alberta. Don't be shy. Reach out to well-known names in the industry, like DLC, Mortgage Alliance, and other prominent brokerages in your area. Many of these companies are always on the lookout for promising new talent to join their ranks. Make sure your resume highlights your passion for mortgages, your newly acquired knowledge from the Mortgage Associates program, and any transferable skills that demonstrate your work ethic and dedication. Remember, every interaction is a networking opportunity. Attend industry events, connect with mortgage professionals online, and put yourself out there. Your dream brokerage is waiting to discover you. As you navigate the world of mortgage brokerages, you'll find that each one has its own unique culture, specialties, and approach to mentoring new associates. Some might focus on residential mortgages, while others specialize in commercial properties or have a niche in specific loan products. Take your time to research different brokerages, explore their websites, read reviews, and perhaps reach out to current or former employees to gain insights into their experiences. Finding a brokerage that aligns with your career goals and learning style is crucial for your growth and success. And here's a pro tip: some brokerages offer fantastic sponsorship programs for aspiring mortgage associates. This means they might cover some or all of your licensing and training costs, providing incredible financial support as you embark on your mortgage career. Be sure to inquire about sponsorship opportunities during your applications and interviews. It's a win-win situation. You gain valuable experience and financial assistance, while the brokerage invests in nurturing a promising new talent. It's time to put your best foot forward and find that perfect brokerage match. Okay, so you've aced your Mortgage Associates program. You've landed a job with a fantastic brokerage. Congrats. Now it's time to make it official with REALTOR, the Real Estate Council of Alberta. They're the governing body that makes sure everything in the mortgage world is above board. First things first, head over to the REALTOR website and create your very own My REALTOR account. It's super easy and will be your go-to portal for all things licensing. Once that's done, your sponsoring brokerage will guide you through the application process. They're your biggest cheerleaders at this point, so don't be shy to ask questions. Now with your application, RECA needs a little background info. You'll need to upload a few documents like proof that you've successfully completed your Mortgage Associates program, That certificate is like your golden ticket. You'll also need a piece of ID so they know you're you, and a criminal record check for that extra layer of trust. Speaking of trust, transparency is key here. If there's anything in your past that needs explaining, be upfront about it. Honesty really is the best policy, and RECA is all about giving everyone a fair shot. So, gather up those documents, submit that application, and get ready for the next exciting step. Now let's talk about the nitty-gritty, the costs. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. The annual license fee for a mortgage associate in Alberta is around $1,250. Think of it as an investment in your future earning potential. You're on your way to a rewarding career after all. On top of the license fee, there's also a small fee for the background check, usually around $80. This is standard procedure and helps RECA maintain the high standards of the profession. Remember, they're looking out for both you and the public. Once you've submitted your application and paid the fees, it's time to sit back, relax, well, maybe not completely relax, and wait for RECA to review everything. They're super thorough, so it might take a few weeks. Use this time to connect with your new colleagues, maybe do some additional reading, and get ready to hit the ground running. Becoming a mortgage broker is within your reach, and with each step you take, you're getting closer to achieving your goals. So be proud of yourself, stay positive, and get ready to embark on this incredible journey. Congratulations, you're officially a licensed mortgage associate in Alberta. That hard work and dedication have paid off, and you're ready to help people achieve their home ownership dreams. But the learning doesn't stop there. Just like any profession, the mortgage world is constantly evolving. New rules, new products, new technologies, it's a lot to keep up with. That's where RECA's continuing education comes in. Each year you'll need to complete a set number of continuing education hours to maintain your license. Think of it as a way to sharpen your skills, stay up to date on industry trends, and ensure you're always providing the best possible service to your clients. Now I know what you might be thinking, more studying. But trust me, it's not as daunting as it sounds. RECA makes it super convenient with a variety of online courses to choose from. These courses are designed to fit your busy schedule, and you can complete them at your own pace, in the comfort of your own home. Plus, it's a fantastic opportunity to network with other mortgage professionals, exchange ideas, and learn from each other's experiences. You might even discover new areas of interest within the field that you'd like to specialize in down the road. Continuing education keeps you engaged, informed, and at the top of your game. So what exactly can you expect from these continuing education courses? Well, they cover a wide range of topics relevant to the mortgage industry. You might dive deeper into specific mortgage products, explore the latest changes to lending regulations, or learn new strategies for building strong client relationships. The courses are designed to be engaging and interactive, often featuring real-life case studies, expert insights, and even quizzes to test your knowledge. It's not just about passively absorbing information, it's about actively applying what you learn to real-world scenarios. And the best part? Continuing education courses are usually quite short and manageable. We're talking about a commitment of around 4 to 8 hours per year, spread out over a few sessions. You can easily fit them into your evenings or weekends without disrupting your work-life balance. Remember, RECA is committed to supporting your professional development every step of the way. They want you to succeed, and continuing education is just one of the many resources they provide to help you thrive in your mortgage career. And there you have it, a clear step-by-step guide to becoming a mortgage broker in Alberta. From meeting the basic requirements to acing your licensing exam, securing a brokerage, and embracing ongoing learning, you're now equipped with the knowledge to embark on this exciting career path. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. We're here to support you every step of the way on your journey to becoming a successful mortgage broker. Thanks for watching, and good luck.